2024 was a successful year for us. In a challenging environment, we delivered on our full year guidance, growing our revenues from 1.3 billion euro at an EBIT margin of 12%. We revised our forecast in June 2024, as you know, considering the softer market environment in the industry. However, the fourth quarter was a particularly good quarter for us at the end. From a regional perspective, we grew in Asia Pacific, while EMEA and Americas were impacted by a challenging environment in the automotive and commercial vehicle markets. In Asia Pacific overall, we achieved an organic growth of 14% across all markets, with an adjusted EBIT margin of incredible 17%. Moreover, we achieved a very strong free cash flow in the fourth quarter and finally in the complete year 2024. Which mainly consisted of positive temporary effects in net working capital, which will be partly reversed in the first quarter of the fiscal year 2025. Given this market environment, I'm very pleased with our strategy. We did execute and have good progress, which is in line with our important points of innovation for future success. We expanded our management board in September and have appointed our long-standing CTO, David Sabat, as a member of the board. Diversification is extremely important to us. The acquisition and integration of DESTACO is clearly helping in this respect and will also support our growth going forward. In the fourth quarter, the industrial machinery and automation sector, which is DESTACO's main target market, showed a solid performance and continues to show significant growth perspectives. In the current environment, the increased diversification of market segment is one of the main pillars of our success and stability. It allows us to tap into pockets of value across geographies and industries. Then there are also positive results in our continued growth strategy in Asia, which I mentioned earlier. And we have successfully intensified cost flexibility opportunities and cost management initiatives. So it was a broad mix of strategic, tactical and operational measures that have contributed and will continue to contribute to Stabilus' resilience even in a challenging market environment. DESTACO is a great asset to the Stabilus Group. We are already benefiting from the balanced market and industry mix, to which the DESTACO acquisition contributes significantly. In financial terms, DESTACO achieved its targets very well for the second half of the year and also for the complete fiscal year for us. With revenues of close to 100 million and EBIT margin which are in the level of 20%. The refinancing of our 250 million bridge facility for the takeover was completed in September and replaced by a promissory note, which was significantly oversubscribed, allowing us to have very good conditions in place. We reduced our net debt by more than 50 million in the last 6 months of the fiscal year 2024, and our net leverage ratio is stable at 2.8. Our goal is to continue to stay below the threshold of 3 and reduce the ratio to well below 2.0 within the next 2 to 3 years. The integration of system and processes is progressing well. It is very important not only to launch and join market campaigns for us, but also pushing the sales, the cross-selling activities. And we see first results. We have received first cross-selling orders, although if we are still in a very early stage of our joint endeavor. This shows that the foundations are in place to accelerate the pace from the next year on. So next year we'll have 2 main focus areas. On one hand side, we are shaping our continuous success with DESTACO, and on the other hand, we for sure need to take the right measures to deal with the volatility in the markets. Operationally, one of our key projects is to realize the potential of our DESTACO acquisition for sure. In terms of synergies, cross-selling, market expansion, and also of course, driving the organic development of our core business at the Stabilus Group. Electrification in the industry is one of our main drivers in the business, and we'll benefit with smart products all in terms of convenience and energy-efficient applications and solutions with our customers. Our electromechanical solutions like PowerRise and also DESTACO's industry automation products are superior and actually very well perceived by our customer base. In our fiscal year 2024, our CapEx returned to the usual historical levels of around 6% of revenue, and we will continue to focus on innovation in the year to come and invest further in terms of technology, intelligent door actuation and automation technology products in all of our facilities. And we at Stabilus have a very strong confidence in the trend that drive our business in the year 2025 and beyond. Dear shareholders and capital market community, I invite you to support us and to continue to accompany us on our journey. I'd also like to thank you for your constructive exchange along the line in the past year, and I'm looking forward to our dialogue in the future.